Okay, camping's come to an end and it's time to pack away the trailer. Do everything pretty much backwards to the way you set it up. Start with a wash basin frame. Put them back in the right place in the front. Then kitchen side. Make sure that when you're closing the fridge that you unlatch the lock when you push it away so that you don't squash your fingers. Time to take the awning down. That's the awning packed away. Okay, time to pack away the sleeping section. Remember first, drop the roof. Then to the back. Spring poles off the front bed section. First start by taking them all out. Pull the pin out of the front. And close the lid. Put the pin back in its place. And the latch is on top. Last thing to remember is the last latch, which is on the back of the roof, at the back of the trailer. Last latch. And then that's it for packing away the bed sections. Last bit to do is the little stabilizing leg. Unclip him. Okay, to back in the back. Securely back with the pin in. And lift the step out, which you can pack away quite quickly. Lift it up, clip him in place, back door closed, and you're ready to hit the road. Thank you for watching the setup and takedown of our Lapa Miskruier trailer. It is a great piece of kit to take on an overlanding adventure with your family. And pretty much a house on wheels.